This is my fluffy sleepy tiger. So I actually warm up the chair for me.
Hey, what is good guys, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. And today, like I said, we're talking about the CineBloom filters from Moment. I'm not trying to bash this amazing gadget that you can add to your photography or videography. It's actually one that I believe it's very needed for many photographers. It's a very creative way to change the look of your photos and your videos. But today I just realized that if you want to buy that filter, which is not very cheap, by the way, it's around 70-80 bucks. I believe that it's affordable but not amazing, and maybe you don't want to invest 70 bucks, the price of a lens for your camera, or a I don't know, a good keyboard or something like that. So today I'm gonna show you how easy it is to test the effect of that CineBloom filter, or close to it, because obviously it's not perfect, but it's actually very close. And for those of you who are looking to buy that filter, I think this test is gonna be very important. If you don't, just disregard the video, but you should still appreciate and give him a thumbs up for creativity. Just came to mind, I just realized that that's the easiest way to prove the effect of the CineBloom filters, which indeed are doing a glow around the lights that you are shooting, and make them look more fluffier. It looks more cinematic. And even if you're shooting videos, even if you're shooting photos, those lights are gonna look even better with the CineBloom filters. It comes in two flavors, 10% and 20%. You will understand after I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about when I'm taking the photos. But if you have a phone, this is gonna be very easy to test. I'm gonna test it on my iPhone 11 Pro. First of all, you'll need a microfiber cloth. Wipe the lenses of your phone very good. Then open the camera app and take a photo of a light around you, either a bulb or anything else that produces light, a beam of light. And after that, we're gonna apply the CineBloom filter. It's right here in my hand. I know you can't see it because it's magic. Magic can be seen. No, it's not magic. It's just my finger, and I'm gonna put my finger on the cameras and twist it, or just wipe them a little bit with my finger. Make sure to have enough oil or sweat on your fingers. My palms are always sweaty, so it works for me. And then let's shoot the photo that I just did. I'm gonna focus on the light as well. And besides the fact that you are getting the glow effect, you're gonna get an anamorphic effect, which means the light is gonna be spread on a median line, or at least on a line. Mine is up because that's how the oil spread on the lens. But if you guys wanna just play with it and see if it's for you, this is a very easy way to test and see if the CineBloom filter from Moment is for you. And I believe that it's for all of us, because creativity has no limits. And I actually am gonna advise you to go buy that filter if you need it. It is an amazing gadget that you can only add to your camera, and besides, you can add it to a lens. You can add it to your phone as well, to your camera phone as well, through an adapter that Moment sells. Like I said, this video is not sponsored in any way. I just found that out and I wanted to share it with you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoy these small and short videos about tips and tricks that I'm finding. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give these videos a thumbs up. It's super important. We're gonna put our videos up in the rankings, and more people will gonna come and subscribe to the channel and watch the videos. That is super important. Also, share these videos with your friends, and I will definitely see you in a bit.